Okay, we've arrived. It's half an hour to the top of Diyaluma Waterfall. There's like viewpoints. Apparently you can swim at the top, which is pretty cool. By the way, I crashed my drone at Nine Arch Bridge yesterday, and I managed to get a drone delivered to me last night. So if you're looking for any camera equipment, Shutter House in Colombo, I think it's shutter-house.lk. They organized it. They sent a driver. To send a driver 6 hours from Colombo to Ella with a drone was cheaper than any other shops that I found. Big thanks to them for sorting it out so quickly. Hi guys.
Hi.
Having a picnic up there. Lots of people with picnic gear. Seems like it's a popular day hangout spot. Simon didn't bring any sun cream, like an idiot. One thing is that I got offered a couple of people to guide me up here, and except for the initial fork where you can take a shortcut or you can do the main route, there is one path. You do not need one. He says when he hasn't even got there yet. I might be hopelessly lost. I don't know. Looks like we've arrived. There's a dude with a stupid horn. That horn's gonna get really annoying. Nice. Stop it. That's ruining everything. Yeah, it's a big old drop. It's a big old drop off. Don't know how close I can get to the edge. I think I might go over there. Then you must be able to swim in there, surely. Apparently there's 7 more waterfalls up there, so I might explore that first and then come back. I've walked upstream and there's another set of waterfalls up here. And there's people at the top. Making the climb to the top now. Let's see, apparently the pool is very peaceful. Sort of plunge pool. What's up guys? I'm hot, gonna have to get in. I forgot my board shorts, so I'll either go in boxers or just normal. Yeah. People are full on camping around here. There's just tents. Just dotted the whole way along. Camping next to a massive waterfall and cliff. Good idea. Woo! That was nice up there. Really, really good. I'm now going to try and check out down below. See if it's still busy. See if the guy with the horn is still there. I can hear him. He's haunting me. I spoke to a girl that hired a scooter because I came from Lipton seat. She came straight from Ella, and it took between an hour and a half and 2 hours. So, and the road's quite bumpy, but I really enjoyed it up there. So far, Waterfalls gets a thumbs up. There's a full-on drum circle going on down there. This is a proper campsite, it seems. Drum circle. Pretty long way down. Right, I think it's time to call it. Get back for Little Adam's Peak. Heading back down now. Got ourselves a good old-fashioned traffic jam. Could be a long one down. Could take longer to get down than get up. It's not hard though, it's just quite warm. Now cleared the traffic jam. It's because there was a few old timers up front. So if you're worried about the half-an-hour trek, know that there's 60 to 70-year-old women doing it, so it's not that bad. I must say that after seeing about 1 million waterfalls last year and never wanting to see one again, I was a bit apprehensive about I've forgotten the name again, Diyaluma Waterfalls, especially when I turned up and it was busy and there was the guy with the horn. But I was pleasantly surprised. I would say definitely go there, take a packed lunch, go with some friends, chill out, take some water. It's a nice day out. You could really enjoy it for a few hours and just relax, listen to the drum circles. So top of the list so far, although Ella Rock for the good sunrise is up there as well. Definitely better than Lipton seat. Now I've got to race home to complete the great tour of Ella and do Little Adam's Peak. Thank you. Let's go. We're running out of daylight. Bonus waterfall. lots of tourists. It's only about 10 minutes away from Ella, so people just go there really quickly. Very loud. It's almost like a Gaudi art installation. Right, it's 5 PM exactly. Got 20 minutes hopefully to make it to the top before sunset proper. I think we have enough time. I just saw Ravana, they've got ziplining. Considering I missed out on that in Costa Rica, I might have to look at it tomorrow morning. This has been great. I think that hopefully we'll get a good sunset, but doing 4 things in a day has been really productive. A good use of time. If I could have my time back, I think I would do Ella Rock for sunrise and then get to Nine Arch Bridge for the 9:20 train. Take the fact that there's going to be more people there. Then I would skip Lipton Seat. I just don't think it's worth it for the detour. And then I would spend more time at the waterfall. Again, I've forgotten the name. Diyaluma? I can't remember the name of the waterfall. It's just one of those things. Take a packed lunch and then come to Little Adams Peak for sunset. And that is a good day tour of Ella. Anyway, just trying to get a wiggle on to make it to sunset. And that is Ella Rock. We were up there this morning. It's hilarious, I just passed these 2 old ladies. One was carrying some branches. She asked if I wanted to take a photo, and I did. And turns out that they're just getting cash from tourists to take photos. I wouldn't say that's a tourist trap. It sort of is, but hopefully the photos are good. They were very cute old ladies, so I don't mind that sort of tourist trap. Oh, there's a zip lining. I'll have to look at that tomorrow. Got more important things to do. Finish the great tour of Ella. It's pretty much just steps. I can see the top now. So it's just steps the whole way. Here they go again. Check out how much that costs. I don't think I'll do it, but if it's cheap, right, game face on, gotta get to the top. There we are, we've made it to the top. 13 minutes. I wouldn't really call it a hike. It's more of a stroll up to the top. But made it with a lot of time for sunset. Better relax. Final thoughts on Ella? Very good. I can already tell that it's worth coming up here for sunset. You can see the lines where the sunlight's being cut by the hills. It's Friday afternoon and there's been clearly a big influx of local tourists, which is great. Domestic tourism is awesome. Not so much for me to get empty places, but it's good. If you're Sri Lankan and you are, say, living on the south coast and haven't come here, definitely make the journey. Come up for the weekend. I've been here for 36 hours and I've already seen most of it and enjoyed it thoroughly. And then for any tourists that come to Sri Lanka, I mean, I know somebody who's come here 2 or 3 times. You know who you are. And he's never left the south coast, which is a pity. I know how easy it is to get stuck in surf towns. Just go for the weekend. You don't have to do the whole loop. Just come to Ella for the weekend. Okay. Bravo. The great tour day of Ella is complete. I guess I'll just finish with a montage.